Welcome. In front of me is a Microsoft Surface Duo, and today I will show you how to enable the power saving mode. Now, to get started, all you want to do is pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the battery saver toggle, which for me is right here. And once you find it, tap on it. There we go. It turns on dark mode, as you can see. And that's about it. That's the visible changes that I can see. Additionally, it will disable Wi-Fi and mobile data once the device goes to sleep. And sleep is basically when you close it and don't use it for like a couple minutes. It considers itself to be in a sleep mode, at which point it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now, that will cause you to not receive any kind of updates or messages and posts that would be internet reliant. So Facebook, Messenger, Instagram and stuff like that will basically not give you any kind of notifications till you basically interact with the device again, at which point the device will reconnect to network and sync up everything that was missing. So anyway, that is how you would turn on the power saving mode, and once you're done with it, to turn it off, you can simply find the toggle once again, tap on it to turn it off, and everything will go back to functioning normally. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.